Yesterday we moved out of our storage unit, and today we have to break apart all of this wood. By breaking it apart, I mean we have to take these cubes and all these other structures I made and break it down into flat pieces so that we can reuse it in future sets. Let's get started. Huh? Oh, hey camera, how are you? Ooh.
You okay?
Yeah. Jeez. The most time-consuming part is pulling out all of the nails. It is super important to get the whole nail out so that I can run it through the table saw again. There's just something so satisfying about tearing things apart. Come into pieces. Tight series. Let's see if we can save it. The funny part of this one to me is somebody copied this. Straight up. It was bizarre to me why you would copy something exactly. And this wasn't like supposed to be like this whatsoever. It was just a bunch of accidents, and yet somebody copied it. All right, so I think we're gonna call it a day today. My hand got pretty tired from using this thing over and over again, but got a bunch of nails out. Look at that. All right, so I'll see you tomorrow. Cue the music. Day number 2. Let's do it. I like the fact that they exist for a little bit, and then they go away. It's kind of like life as a human. You exist on this planet for a little bit, then you go away, and then you're recycled. Yeah. For some reason we like completely missed with the nail gun, and we were using too long of nails again. Past David, what were you thinking? Alright, I can't do it, man. I can't break this chair down. I think we're gonna have to keep it. But look at all this wood! Oh my gosh! We have wood for days here. We're gonna make so much cool stuff out of this. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video of me breaking down all of this wood. If you want to see what I do with this wood, be sure to subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any ideas of what I should make. And yeah, cheers!